You ready to conquer the Kraken? Let's do this.
Just around here. Right there. Oh. Like I'm sunbathing for about 20 seconds.
Mum's got her eyes open on this one.
Huh?
Got her eyes open on this one.
Yeah, until I drop. I can't watch when I'm dropping. Not to start with.
No, it's tiny compared to Mako. Difference is we're over water. Yeah! Part one done. Time for part two. Ah, this bit's nice. It's the roughest one so far, though.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
I had a bit.
Take this off.
Just remain seated until the coaster will stop inside the station. Unfasten your seatbelt. Wait for instructions from the attendant.
Thank you. Welcome back. What's your watch thing?